In this video, we will learn how to use light shading in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and here you see light shading command is not added in this tab. So we are going to add first this command. Click on the file tab and click on the more and then click on the option, and here click on the customize ribbon. And in commands you select here, just click on this drop down arrow and select here commands not in the ribbon. Okay, now you can see here that the list of commands those are not added in Excel ribbon. So here I am going to find light shading option. Sorry, okay, so I press here the L, and in L I select here, I search here the light shading option. So here you see I got it, light shading. Now this command I am going to add in any tab. So here I am going to add one tab, new tab. So I just click on the new tab and I enter the name of this tab, PND Tech. Okay, then click on OK. In group, so I enter the group name also, ABC. Then here you can see you can select the symbol also. So I select here the symbol for my group. Okay, and click on OK. Now you can add this command in your tab, okay, your custom tab. So I select this group ABC and click on add. Here light shading command is added. Then click on OK. So that's it. Here you can see in PND Tech tab light shading command is added. Now let's see how it's used. Just click on the light shading and here you can see the light shading on your cell. Suppose I want to light shading on particular data. So I select here the some amount and click on the light shading. So this is a way you can use the light shading option to showing on your data light shading to highlight your particular data. And if you want to remove this light shading, then select your data and go to the home tab, and here in font group have a fill color option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the no fill color. Okay, the light shading will remove. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this is a way you can use these light shading commands in Excel sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.